Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's Monday, July the 4th, 2022. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. Yes, definitely 4 stars. We have two puzzles left, the binary and the tectonic. But it's binary time. Yes, binary time. Number 4799. And what kind of binary is this one? What kind of binary? Let me count the boxes. We have here the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Then, yeah, let me think. Let me see. Between 2 ones comes in O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Need to compare. We have here 3. Here also 3 O's. Here also 3 O's. There also 3 O's. Well, the question is the columns or the rows do we need to compare? 10. Well, I cannot compare the rows. Should be the columns. Okay, 100, 101, 101. No, then 010. We have 010 here. 010 here. 010. This column and that column. Okay, 00100 empty box 1100 empty box 11. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Finish in 4 minutes exactly. Yes. 4 minutes. Great binary, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle of today. A tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.